Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to learn together the module which is called Repair Audio Amplifier. In today's topic, we are going to see how to prepare an audio amplifier for repairing. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to select and arrange different tools, materials, and equipment required while repairing an audio amplifier. As we are learning together, I invite each and everyone to take some note and do a practical exercise with me as we are learning together. Firstly, you may ask yourself, what is an audio amplifier? An audio amplifier is an electronic amplifier that amplifies low power electronic audio signal, such as the signal from radio receiver or electrical guitar, picked up to a level that is high enough from driving a loudspeaker or a headphone. It means that an audio amplifier is used to increase the gain of the signal. Firstly, when you want to repair an audio amplifier, you have to select tools, materials, and equipment required for repairing an audio amplifier. As a professional technician, firstly you have to select PPE, which is personal protective equipment made to protect you against any hazard while you are doing any kind of repairing, such as gloves, helmet, overall, noise mask, and so on. While you finish to select PPE, now on we are going to see tools, materials, and equipment required when repairing an audio amplifier. As you can see, this one is a universal screwdriver, flat screwdriver, Allen key, cutting pliers, universal pliers, stripping pliers, blower, soldering iron, digital multimeter, cleaning brush, soldering gun, magnifying glass, and gun glue stick. And now on, we are going to see together the external part of our audio amplifier. As you can see, this one, which is behind, is the cover, which is used to protect the internal component. And also, there is a micro socket. Those one are micro socket. As you can see, it has 8 lines. And also, as you can see, there is a power switch, this one. This is a power inlet, which is used to supply the AC current to the internal component of our audio amplifier. As you can see, this one is a master volume control, left and right. Those are sound and sources, input signal, those one. Those are the main external part of our audio amplifier. And now, as we finish to see the external part of an audio amplifier, we are going to see the internal part of our audio amplifier. By the use of a universal screwdriver, we are going to open in order to reach the internal part of our audio amplifier. The first internal part of our audio amplifier, as you can see, is a power supply. As you already know, a power supply has 4 main parts, which is a transformer, which is used to step down AC current in order to be converted well. Another one is a rectifier, as you can see, which is used to convert AC into direct current. There is a filter, which is used to remove all unwanted signal remain while rectification is going on. And the last one, as you can see, is a regulator, which is used to supply the required output. The second part of our audio amplifier internal part is an amplifier. As you can see, this is an audio amplifier circuit. As you can see, this one is a heat sink transistor, and this main capacitor, it's used to remove or to filtrate any unwanted signal which can occur in this circuit. And also there's an IC amplifier, which is an integrated circuit embedded to the circuit of our audio amplifier. And also there's some resistor, which are used to resist the electrical current which flow through this circuit. As you can see, this one is a power supply socket, which has between 12 and 18 voltage. This one is outlet terminals. This one is an inlet terminals, which use it to bring the input in this wall audio amplifier. And the last one is the cooling system, which is used to reduce the heat in the circuit of an audio amplifier. And now, while we finish to see the internal part and the external part of an audio amplifier, what you have to do is to remind yourself what is called assembling, which is to fix together separated pieces in order to form one wall. As we are learning together, I hope you are taking some note and you do a practical exercise with me as we're learning together. Thank you for your attention. In our next session, we will see how to repair an audio amplifier motherboard. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Enjoy.